Hey everybody, welcome to my kitchen. I am back again today. We are going to make 3 different dishes today. I'm going to make a green salsa, I'm going to make pico, and then I'm going to make a Mexican stew. So, we're going to start off with the green dip. I actually got this recipe last night from my daughter. She showed me how to do it and Charlie fell in love with it, so he's like, we're gonna have that tonight with dinner after we had fajitas last night. So, okay, that's fine. So all you're gonna need today for the green dip is 1 full bunch of cilantro with stems and all. You're gonna need 2 jalapenos whole with seeds, 1 cup of sour cream, 1 cup of regular mayonnaise, and 1 package of ranch dip. Simple as can be. And of course, you're gonna need your blender because all of it's got to be blended up really good. So okay, we're gonna start, and we're going to place everything in our blender. So I'm going to start with the sour cream, put that down in there. Like I said, it's 1 cup of sour cream. You can actually double the batch or triple the batch, whatever you need. It makes quite a bit. My daughter did 2 cups yesterday of everything, 2 of everything yesterday, and it made a giant bowl of dip. And with the jalapenos and everything, it's a little bit spicy, but not too much. It has just the right amount of heat to it. So like I said, you're going to put the whole bunch of cilantro in it with stems and all. Put it all in there. Shove it down in there. Yummy, 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 yummy. And both jalapenos. And then just your ranch dip. Yum, 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 yum. So we have it all in our blender. Now we're going to take it over here to blend it all up. On my blender. Yep. Wait, let me turn this around real quick. There we go. Put my top on so it don't go everywhere. And we're gonna let it blend until it's really well mixed. So probably about 3 to 5 minutes on medium. I'll be right back when that's done. So I'm back and it is all blended up. So now we're gonna take it off. Come over here to my bowl. Fix my camera. Yummy, yummy. I'm going ahead and just pour some in the bowl. We're going to take and put it in the refrigerator. Hello. We're going to put it in the refrigerator and let it cool for dinner tonight. But here's the finished product. Don't that look so good? I'm gonna have Charlie come in here and give it a taste to see how it is. Hey everyone, so I'm back. We made the dip, and like I said, I got Charlie here and little Adam to come do the taste test. So we're gonna see how it is. How it turned out. Very good. Very good recipe. I'd like to thank my daughter for it. I don't know where she got it from, but it's very good. Like I said, you can double the batch, triple the batch, however you need to. Just use the ingredients that I told you, and it'll be good. So for this part, We're done. Say see you at the Pico de Gallo. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Say bye-bye.